Google's not wasting any time after wrapping up Android 17 QPR1 as it's officially kicked off testing of Android 17 QPR2 Beta 1. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. The new beta is offering Pixel users and developers a first look at the next quarterly update expected to arrive as the December 2026 feature drop. This release doesn't come with any new user-facing features, but it does fix some annoying bugs that have plagued Pixel owners. In its official release notes, Google says it's fixed an issue where Bluetooth devices could fail to reconnect after losing pairing, with no indication there was a problem. There's also a fix that stops media controls from flashing briefly on the lock screen when waking a phone, even if notifications for that app had been turned off. The most important fix is maybe for Gemini. Pixel devices may suddenly reboot when launching Google's AI assistant due to a system crash. Google also addressed an issue with touch input where apps would stop receiving touch events after users performed a drag and drop gesture with more than one finger. The Android 17 QPR2 Beta 1 is now available and supports most of the supported Pixels, including the Pixel 6a, Pixel 7 series, Pixel Fold, Pixel Tablet, Pixel 8 series, Pixel 9 family, and the latest Pixel 10 devices. It's also available through the Android emulator, and users enrolled in the program can install it over the air by the Android Beta program. But this rollout brings a major change as well. If you still have a Pixel 6 or 6 Pro, your beta journey ends right here. These devices have reached their guaranteed update limits, so the previous QPR1 is their final beta track. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.